Hey y'all, so I'm making mini plant protein pancake cereal. I saw it on Instagram. I thought it looked good. I thought it looks different. So let's get into the video and see how this turns out.
Flow. You see the square that I have red? What's the base of the square?
Right now, I have to be
What's the
quiet
height
because
of
my
the
sister
square?
is teaching.
Good. Base times height. So I need to do 10
I
times 10. What do I
just
get?
not really woke up, but kind of woke up. Y'all, I just want to discuss these pancakes because they are bomb and they're better than any pancake you'll have. So basically, you just need a bowl. I got a bowl with a little lip on it, so it's easy to pour. Pour in however much pancake mix you feel you need. I just made this for myself, so I didn't really need that much pancake mix. Excuse this dirty, musty, crusty, dusty ass motherfucking bowl in the sink. So that murky water is a little sketch, but I didn't do it. So put enough water in there, mix it all together. You can make them thick, you can make them watery, like it doesn't matter. I ended up making them a little more watery than expected, so I had to add in some more pancake mix to make them nice and thick and smooth and pretty and delicious. Um, Please excuse my stirring. I'm trying to record and stir at the same time. Okay, next, get a pan, put it on about medium heat, a little over medium. Little butter. I have leveled up and I have started using coconut oil because like I'm trying to be healthy and shit. So yeah. Scooping some butter in there, but not too much as I just felt that I did put too much, but I really didn't even take that much out. So I don't even think it really matters. So you need to let that get nice and melty. Melt, melt. I don't know what I'm saying in this video, but I'm probably just talking about how amazing these pancakes are because I will never eat an Aunt Jemima pancake ever again, and that's on God. Okay, these are just so much better and they're healthier and they're vegan. As I'm saying, they're vegan, protein, plant. Hello, you can thank me later when you live forever because your arteries are saved. And it's only 180 calories, is what I'm also saying. So, talk about eating right and being fit and eating deliciously. Hello. Hello. Damn, I talk a lot. What? Oh, I'm. And here comes the enemy. The enemy has entered the building, y'all. Ah! Run, okay, run, run, yes, run. Um, Back to what this show was about is these motherfucking mini pancakes. These mini pancakes are about to be pretty pathetic, in my opinion. But you know, I'll let y'all be a judge. Y'all, pouring and recording is probably the most difficult thing that I've ever done, especially pouring little mini pancakes. So, like, please excuse every single part of this ghetto-ness. Like, multitasking is not my thing, as you can see. And these mini pancakes were definitely the fucking test. So, just pour in as many pancakes as your pan can fit, make them all different sizes, however your little heart or hand desires that they need to be. So this is the first little batch. I was testing to see if they're cooked. This is kind of cooked to me. I like my stuff, a little brown. I like to know it's cooked. So flipping those, it was so fucking difficult to do, was flip these pancakes with one hand with these big ass motherfuckers. So yeah, just please bear with me. I don't know. You can see every single part of the struggle in this. And then my smart self just decided, here, let me try chopsticks because, that just seems like a good idea. But, like, it was a good idea for a certain point, and then I got frustrated with that too. So I'll just let y'all see what I was going to do. Now here I'm starting on the second batch. These turned out not even close to many. I was trying to fit as many as I could in the one pan, keep them all warm and hot. But these were not very many pancakes. Like, they were supposed to look minier, if that makes sense. I'm actually starting my third and final batch of these pancakes. These mini, not so mini pancakes, and this last little pathetic little bowl. Let's see what I get with this. Now the final set of pancakes are almost complete. So just take a bowl, start scooping out the ones that are already done into the bowl, scoopty scoopty whoopty fucking scoop. They're almost done. I just tasted one. They taste good. Now here I was just deciding on which one to use. If I wanted to be healthy and use the light, or I wanted to be unhealthy and use the butter one. I think I ended up using the light because I'm trying to be healthy. So this is the last little bit of pancakes. Taking forever. I'm mixing it with almond milk. I don't drink regular milk. Almond milk just tastes better. It is better. It's all around better. These pancakes ended up being a little crispier than the other ones. That was not intentional. It just sort of happened. Got a little nice diversity of pancake. Y'all, I just decided that I'm gonna make some fucking coffee. I just like coffee for the taste. That's it. It does not help me in any way with staying awake. You still hear that she's on her fucking yeah. She's still on her call, so I have to whisper. But I'm making coffee because I'm going. So just wanted to let you know what's being added to the menu. But they still cooking. Hazelnut is bomb, and if you don't use it, you weird. And that's all I can motherfucking say. Y'all, I'm still sitting waiting on this girl to hurry up and finish teaching these kids. These kids, she's been teaching the same thing for forever. This coffee is busting, by the way. But she's been teaching the same thing forever, and the kids still don't grasp it. Like, oh my gosh. And I was literally sitting here for a solid 10 minutes, just waiting for her to hurry the fuck up, because I had a whole video to shoot. Like, she's been on this for forever and she's still going. Like, slow her send out. Alright, y'all, so she is finally wrapping it up, speaking her final little last words and goodbyes to her children. So now we're about to get lit. Okay, y'all, fucking finally. Look at how much of my fucking.
You've been on this video.
No, I turned it off for a minute in time, but I had to show them how fucking bored I was because you just continue to talk like it's lunchtime. Like, I feel like I've just been quiet for so long. Like, I haven't talked all fucking day.
Nothing wrong with that.
Woo! Okay, anyway. Maybe this coffee is not decaf because I just feel like a burst of energy. Like, look at how much I drank already. Oh god, I'm gonna spill this shit. Look at how much, like, I just drank all that already. Okay, y'all, so we got my mini pancakes. Do you even know what I was making? I made mini little pancakes, and now I'm about to put it with a milk and a syrup and eat them together at the same time. I hate bitches. Oh, I think that was a little bit of karma, but I'm literally sitting up here talking to you and you're not even paying attention. I don't know how much to add because I don't want it to get like soggy. I'm gonna have to eat this so quick. Oh my god. Okay. I'm feeling a little healthy, y'all. Remember how I said, do I feel healthy or do I feel a little risky? Okay, so put some syrup. I usually don't put a lot of syrup on my pancakes anyway, because like I'm healthy-ish, and it just be too much. Alright, y'all. I'm tempted to smell it, but I heard it's not like it's anything different. But I guess the milk is just kind of throwing me off a little. No, fuck y'all. I made this. All right. No.
Yes.
Y'all, she just hopped all the way back on the motherfucking thing, helping the crusty-headed children who can't learn base times height. Like, they're actually getting help. Just doing is the best thing you can use.
And then for the base and the height, I got 5 times 4 would be 20, and then there's 4 sides.
You have to divide it by 2. Remember the triangle. It's base times height divided by 2.
Okay, so then 80.
Some of these pancakes are a little burnt, but like then this side is good.
Wait, you add them all up? Like you add the 20 if there's like 4?
So you did the base times height of the triangle and got 20, and you divide that by 2 and you got 10, right?
Okay, yeah, 10.
Yep.
And then how many triangles are there?
There's 4.
Okay, so you would do 10 times 4
I'm not mad at this.
40.
plus the 25 from the base, the 5 times 5.
It's different.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. All right, out of 10, I'll give this a 7.35. Yeah, 7.35. But I guess I probably kind of fucked it up because you're on mute, right?
No.
Okay. Well, I guess I kind of fucked it up because some of these are a little more cooked than the others. So, yeah. I mean, honestly, I don't know. I don't think the batter really matters. Do you like this batter better or the regular one?
It's all the same.
No, it's not. The plant one or the Aunt Jemima. I'm waiting. But yeah, y'all see the disrespect that I have to go through on a daily basis. Like, I ask a question, I don't get a fucking response, but it's okay. Like, it's good. I'm gonna just go fuck her up later. But this mini pancake thing wasn't too bad. Wasn't anything that I would make again. But it was cool. It was alright. But I would not highly recommend it, but just try it, you know, something different. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first YouTube video, so just trying something new, trying to get a hold of the editing thing. But let me know if you guys want to know anything, you want me to do anything. I will be posting a cooking video of me actually cooking and not like something that I just saw on Instagram. So yeah, let me know if you want to see anything in particular, but you have a good day. So bye y'all.